In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 123 Form Builder with this beginner's tutorial. Whether you're creating a simple contact form or a detailed survey, 123 Form Builder has you covered with its intuitive and flexible design options. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to 123 Form Builder. If you're new, make sure you sign up for an account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're in, you'll see the option to create a new form. Here, 123 Form Builder offers you the choice to either use a pre-existing template or start from scratch. If you choose a template, you'll find forms designed for various needs that can save you time, or if you prefer to fully customize your form, starting from scratch might be the way to go. Now that you've set up the foundation of your form, it's time to add fields. This is where the true customization begins. On the 123 Form Builder interface, you'll see options to drag and drop elements such as text fields, multiple choice questions, and checkboxes. The simplicity of dragging and dropping enables you to tailor your form exactly the way you want it. As you're building your form, always keep in mind the kind of information you need to collect and choose fields accordingly. Once you're happy with the structure of your form, let's move on to the settings. Here, you can customize the title of your form, ensuring it reflects the purpose clearly. Beyond that, 123 Form Builder lets you manage notifications. This is particularly useful, as it can automatically alert you when someone fills out your form, ensuring you never miss a submission. You also have the opportunity to customize your thank you page. This is what users see after filling out your form, and personalizing this can create a more engaging experience for them, leaving a lasting impression. After refining your settings, it's time to publish and share your form. 123 Form Builder provides several options to do this. You can generate a link to share directly, or if you're planning to use the form on your website, embedding it is a simple option. Additionally, if email is your preferred method of sharing, you can easily send your form to recipients right from the platform. Finally, we've come to one of the most important aspects, viewing submissions. After your form is live and responses start coming in, 123 Form Builder offers a neat way to check these submissions. You can view responses directly on the platform and if needed, export them for further analysis. This feature ensures you stay on top of the data you need to gather. And that's it. You now have a detailed understanding of how to use 123 Form Builder. This powerful tool not only simplifies the form creation process, but also allows you to make insightful decisions based on your collected data. Thanks for joining me today, and happy form building!